the latter part of the question says what is the probability that a woman selected at random from the group says or plante only, right? So that is what they say, probability that a woman selected from the group say what, plante only. Now the idea of a probability is what you are looking for divided by where you are picking them from. So what I mean by that is assuming in your family you guys are 10, right? You guys are 10 in your family, and then you want to do the probability of what, ladies in the family. So how many ladies are in the family? Let's say assuming you have what, 3 ladies, only 3 ladies in the family. So that this is what you are looking for, right? They say the probability of what, the ladies. So the ladies here are what, are 3 in the family, and then how many people are in the family? In all, they are 10. So it's what we are looking for over what, the total number of people, or where exactly you are picking them. So that is what we call what, a probability. Exactly, always what we are looking for. What we are looking here, what are we looking for? We are looking for the ladies, the number of the ladies. There are 3. And then how many people are, where are we picking the ladies from? We are picking them from what, the entire family. So the entire family, you have what, 10 people. So it's what we are picking, or what we are picking divided by what, the total number of people, or where exactly you are picking them. So back to the question, they say the total number of people who say what, plante only. So it's plante only that we are looking for. Do you know the plante only? That should be what, C from the Venn diagram. That is what I chose. I chose this letter to be what, plante only. So the plante will, after doing the calculations, I had C to be what, 9 minus x, right? So 9 minus x, and my x was what, 4, right? So when I solved that, I had C to be equal to what, 5. So I know that I'm picking 5 people, right? That is a plante only out of what, the 34, right? 34, which is a universal. So that one gives more the probability. So that is of 5 over 34. So it's always what you are looking for, what you are picking divided by the total, exactly where you are picking them from. If you want to know how to solve all this, just watch the full video on what, on our channel. Second question, they said that you should find the probability that a customer selected at random bought either plantain only or corn only. So as I say earlier on, I say the idea of the probability is what you are looking for divided by exactly where you are picking the people from, right? So what are we looking for? We are looking for plantain only as well as corn only. Now this is one thing you have to pay attention to. So in probability, the word or here means what, addition, right? The word or means addition, so meaning that plantain only added to what, corn only. Now it's your duty to know the plantain only as well as the corn only. So after solving the Venn diagram, the portions of the plantain only is what, 6 plus what, x, and then that of the corn only is what, 4 plus what, x, right? Do you know the x? The x here is what, when you do that calculation, the x is the intersection of all the 3, and then that was, the s is equal to 3. So you just need to replace that, right? So when you do that, you should have 6 plus 3, and then 4 plus 3. So this one gives me 16. So this is what we are picking. We are picking them out of what, the whole universal. That is what, 40, right? So that is the 40. So the probability will give you what, 16 over 40. So when you reduce that, you should have what, 2 over what, 5 over. So this is the probability, right? So this is how simple you find the probability. Okay.